This is my pepper soup spices. I'll be using it to prepare the melon soup. This is my periwinkle. I'll be adding periwinkle to the soup. Just wash. This is my dry fish. I'll be adding dry fish with some other ingredients to spice up the soup. Dry fish gives the soup a unique taste. You'll like it if you try it. This is my fresh fish. I already used hot water to wash the fresh fish so that it will be good for the soup. Just wash. Okay, this is my assorted meat. I'm using assorted meat to spice up my soup. Oh, you can use any meat you like, depending on your preference. This is my crayfish, my seasoning cube, and my bay leaf. Firstly, what I did is to mix the native spice, which is the pepper soup spice, with the egusi melon. I'll mix properly. I'm mixing everything before I'll add other ingredients. This is my native pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. I am adding some water to the mix. I'll turn properly. Then I'll mix very well. I'll be adding my meat stock to the mix to get a desired taste. Just wash. Put on your gas, get it ready. It's getting hot here. Firstly, when you put it on the gas, you have to keep stirring so that it will have something like seed. This seed, yes. Then I'll add my periwinkle. My salt. I added my fresh fish. I'll be adding my crayfish and other spice. I'll be adding my meat. Oh! I will add my dried fish. Oh! I added my seasoning cube. I'll be adding a dried bitter leaf, or in my language, we call it obeletete. It gives the soup a nice look and a nice taste. I'll be using Garri to eat my Egusi pepper soup.